What's up, party people? Ignore my 5 a.m. hair, but we're going fishing today.
Don't be scared. Oh boy.
I like sheets. Yeah, man. Everybody gets excited about sheets.
Oh yeah. So, we're out here, Wilmington, North Carolina, Cape Fear Memorial Bridge right there. We're going out fishing on a charter boat today. Got some family in from town and hey, you wanted to go fishing, so we're going. Super excited. We've been talking about this for a long time and hope we catch something. So we're looking for red drums, stripers, and basically whatever we can get our hands on. Like I said, it's a charter, so we're gonna be with hopefully a qualified captain, not like the Instagram, and he'll know what we can keep. I don't know what I want to eat out of the Cape Fear River and all of its brown murky glory, but you know. All right, what did you catch that you kept?
We kept a trout.
We kept the trout, yes.
That'll pull right in. We caught a gar, we caught a striper.
A gar, a striper. I caught nothing.
Yet?
But
But there's live oak.
there's Live Oak Pavilion. Oh no. Oh hell no. Not out of the Cape Fear.
You got it in you though, man. You can handle it now.
After the
You
Philippines?
got the Philippine.
Yeah.
You got a cast iron stomach.
My bobber. Shit.
Oh yeah. First catch.
Holy
Let's
shit.
go.
Oh, that's nice.
Let's go, dude.
There you go. That's nice.
Let's get a measurement on him. It looks like he's probably about 15, 16. Yep, 15 and a half.
There you go.
Yeah.
Spots he's got comparatively to the other ones.
Dude. Catch two.
Dylan said, I didn't come for quantity, I came for quality.
Man, that's real nice.
Yeah.
We were talking about throwing some fish on the Blackstone for dinner tonight. So,
16? He's 17.
dude, 17.
Nice.
Yo.
Done.
That's a pretty boy. Oh man.
That one's,
I think Shimano.
that one's probably a girl.
A girl.
Yeah, she's a little fat on that bottom half. We'll find out in a little bit. That's the one thing I do like about fishing with the floats. Like once the float gets down, the shrimp, and he starts freaking out, you'll see the float just kind of bobbing around. And until you see that thing get tanked and go straight down, you know, you typically know that he's probably not got it. But once it goes down, you know he's got it.
Did you ever pull up something you didn't want to pull up?
I mean,
You like oh no.
we catch stingrays and stuff.
Oh yeah. No, I think I lost him.
Did he drop off?
No, he's still on there. Yeah, get him, big doggy.
I'm not fighting. There he goes. That's a little baby.
Thank
He's
you.
a little baby.
You can swing one up in here. Yep. Oh yeah. Okay.
Jan keeps flinging his shrimp. I broke the whole rig.
Grant caught an island.
Yeah, Grant caught some
Grant
grass.
started this whole disaster.
I'm the weak.
Dude.
Oh, damn, dude. I know you're pissed off. That doesn't mean you gotta beat the shit out of him.
Dude, chill the hell
Oh
out.
my.
That's a good one.
Dude.
You
That's
have
awesome.
Copper colors and everything in there.
I don't know what it looks like, Dylan. That's a beauty.
Beautiful.
That's awesome. That was fun to reel.
Watch out. Wait, Grant's going about things lately.
Watch your lips. Don't let it kick your ass.
No, keep real.
Keep real. He's coming at you, probably.
Yeah, come on, buddy. Get it.
Yep. Oh yeah.
Quality one.
Oh yeah. He's a honker. Keep your.
Well done, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Whenever you're holding the fish, the head of the fish goes to the center of the boat.
Head of the fish goes to the center of the boat. And it'll flop out of my hands and jump back in the water.
That's the reason why we keep the head. Just put your hands underneath him like you're gonna hold a taco, and he'll just chill out.
What you got, Grant?
I don't know yet.
It's gonna be a surprise.
Feel heavy?
Don't feel light, that's for sure. Watch out, here he comes.
I won't get off. Come on, handle your business.
I don't want to break it off.
Where you want to go? He'll go.
I'm letting him judge.
Hey, come on. Get off today, boy. Crack it off.
Stop with the foreplay.
Yeah,
You don't want to break the line.
Oh, you were fishing 25, 30 pounds.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah, there we go.
How you going, brother? Nice.
Yeah, dude.
Well done, sir.
Fresh meat, boys.
You say that one's bigger than the one I got?
I think.
I don't know. I
Yours
think
was pretty damn big.
just go hands underneath him.
Yep. Nice. Put the spots on. Alrighty. Wait. Here's another one.
So walking towards the front.
Ooh, yeah. That's a nice one.
Just look. Head up.
Alright.
Nicely done, sir.
Bye-bye, awesome spot. Sweet.
That's a sweet.
Yeah.
That one has
3 on
spots.
that. Go on this side.
Oh, yeah.
That's good.
I'm standing here modeling your fish for you.
Can we keep one more?
No,
we're done.
We're
Yeah.
done.
Bye-bye.
See you next time. Where's your mom and dad?
Bag full of trout. It's a pretty successful day.
Goddamn right. Best day I had ever fishing down here.
So we got what, 8 trout, 7?
8.
We were one shy.
Yeah, one shy. That's right.
8 trout and 4 drums, red drums. Not too shabby. Here's all of our fish fillets. What is that, trout?
Trout.
Yeah, baby. Look at all that meat.
Into the night.
Alright, so we got our bag of trout here, which I'm cutting up to make some fish tacos right now. We got a nice accompaniment here. And I'm also gonna do some avocado, mayo, and lime sauce, and using these Southwest corn cans that I know I've told you guys to get before, we're gonna make some street corn to go along with it. My knife is not nearly as good as Captain Mike's fillet knife. I feel like Cody Maverick's mom in Surf's Up right now. Making some street corn right here. Got some beef over here for the non-fish enjoyers. And then this is the prep station. We got avocado, cilantro, some avocado mayo that I threw together, some slaw, some lettuce, shells. Oh my. Alright, so we're gonna do these with some black pepper on them. And we're gonna toss some lime on these bad boys. Alright, here we got the final spread. We got the street corn in here. We got the beef. We got the blackened. We got the lime. It's gonna be awesome. I'm super excited. Last time I cooked and ate something, it was clams last summer. So I can't wait to eat this trout. I love fish tacos. Here we go, some trout that I caught, and we're gonna see how it tastes in taco form. No exaggeration, that's really, really good. I like that better than a cod fillet that I'll usually make a fish taco with. You can taste the freshness. It's still swimming around in my taste buds. Ken Roxon just won another one. And here's the final form. Got some chips, got the street corn, and I did add some sour cream on there because I forgot. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it here for this one. It was a beautiful weekend out here in coastal North Carolina. It was fantastic. I loved getting out on the water and fishing. It's been way too long since I've done that, and I hope you enjoyed the catch, cook, and eat. That was so much fun. I really like doing that. Maybe I should get more into fishing. I don't know. If I should, leave a comment, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe, hit the bell notification. And if you haven't watched my Utah series or my Philippines series, I'd recommend you do that. It's probably pretty fun. I don't know. I had fun making it. But thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye-bye.